there, my name is Jim Bronstein. I want to be the first to welcome you to Tres Niñas Boat Rental. Renting a boat is simple, easy, fun, and affordable. And so many things to see. You can go fishing, you can go sightseeing, you can go whale watching, you can go diving, snorkeling, enjoy the beautiful sunsets, enjoy all that Costa Rica has to offer. Taking a boat with Tres Niñas is fun, simple, safe, affordable, and enjoyable and easy for everyone. So come on down, visit us at Tres Niñas Boat Rental in Quepos, Manuel, Antonio. We'll see you soon on the water.
Tres Niñas!